Yo, so we're here in the command tower, late night, chilling. I'm gonna go over some questions that I find on the internet to see if I can provide some context. Being in the industry for a whole decade now and running one of the largest manufacturers in the state, this is an interesting question. What machine is this? And so you can see from that video, it was just a nozzle, right? It doesn't really show the rest of the system, and it's actually at the end because there's a few main parts, but really the machine is a closed loop extractor. Everything started with tubes and just putting gas in one side, the gas flowing through it. And the reason we use this gas like kind of a cousin of like propane. People even use propane. We use it because it's a non-polar solvent. It grabs onto oils rather than water soluble stuff. So if you put cannabis in water, it gets all green, and it doesn't really extract, or doesn't extract the oils, which is the resin, which actually produces the effects. And so we use non-polar solvents to actually pull the resin and keep all the other water soluble stuff on the plant. And that's why we get this nice gold extract, because we just pulled all of the oils. So it's a concentrate. We concentrated all the oils. We took all the biomass out and just got the oils. And the solvent is a very efficient way to do that and keep all the terpenes intact. And then the solvent is volatile, so it just wants to leave. You're able to use low temperatures that don't mess with the taste. And so you get all of the resin from the plant. You get it in your end product that comes out of the machine, like you seen in that video, and then you evaporate the gases, get that all out of there. You lab test it, make sure it's clean, and there you go. You got your cannabis extract. So that's usually run through a closed loop system, and we have a closed loop because we want to recover that gas. That gas is expensive, and so you want to reclaim that. And what you do is you have the gas in a starting tank, run it through the biomass, do some filtration stuff, and then at the end, you get it down and boil or distill off the solvent and then pour it out. And then there's still a little bit of residual. You get that out of there to have a clean product. But that's the machine that produces this extract, if you did not know.